Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 from Discrete Mathematics. We are going to discuss chapter 1 from Discrete Mathematics. The Discrete Mathematics, already you discussed them in mathematical ideas. This is not the new topic. We are not going to discuss something new. Already we discussed some of the ideas in mathematical ideas. In chapter 1, we are going to discuss about introduction to logic. Introduction to logic. What is this, teacher? When we were discussing mathematical ideas or even in problem solving, we discussed about preposition. We said this preposition is nothing but a declarative statement. A declarative statement which is either true or false. But it cannot be both together. Either it may be a true statement or it may be a false statement. This is called preposition. And then we discussed some initial operators and we discussed about the truth table. We gave you the sample of truth table. We discussed about AND operator. When we said AND operator, we said we are going to write like this, cap. And we discussed about OR operator. We said OR operator is weak, just an operator. Then we discussed about the negation, wiggle. This is nothing but we said this is opposite. And then we discussed about exclusive OR. We discussed about exclusive OR. We said this is circle and plus. Even we discussed some conditional statements. We discussed some conditional statements. We discussed biconditional statement. For conditional statement, we said this is implies, and for biconditional statement, we defined double implies. And we formed the truth table using this idea. We formed the truth table using this idea. What we said, just let me recollect what we discussed. For AND, we said when the true statements are true, the result is true. He said when both the statements are true, the output will be true. For OR, we said when both the statements are false, the result is false. The meaning is that otherwise the other statements will be considered as, here it is false, here the other statements are considered as true. Negation, we said this is nothing but opposite. The opposite of true statement is nothing but the false statement. For exclusive OR, we said when we have the two statements are same, the result is false. For example, true will be false. False will be false. When we have the same statement, the result will be false. For conditional statement, we said a true statement cannot imply the false statement. We said a true statement cannot imply a false statement. For biconditional, we said the same idea, but we said in the other way, when both the statements are same, then the result is true. When both the statements are same, the result is true. This already we discussed in the introduction part of mathematical ideas. Using this, even we formed the truth table. Even we formed a truth table. See, for example, let me make an example now. Form the truth table. Form the truth table. For negation P exclusive negation Q implies P double implies. This is an example. Already we discussed many samples. Just I am going to discuss one idea. So when you read this immediately, you have to remember we are having two statements. One is P and Q. We are going to define the truth value for the truth statement, and then we are going to find the result. What is given here? I am having first statement P, and I am having the second statement. What is the meaning of this? We said we are going to take P is always true, true, false, false. And Q is always true, false, true, false. Correct? We said P is always true, true, false, false. Q is nothing but true, false, true, false. Now from this I am going to find what is negation P. And then I am going to find what is negation Q. Negation P is nothing but the opposite of P. What is P here? I am having true, true, false, false. I am going to find the opposite. This is false, false, true, true. In the same idea, I am going to find the opposite of Q. This will become false, true, false, true. Now I am going to check what is the overall statement requirement. We need negation P, exclusive negation Q, then we need P double implies Q. Finally, I am going to combine these two results using implies conditional statement. I am going to just recollect what we said. For exclusive or, when we have exclusive or, if the statements are same, the result is false. In the same idea, for implies, if the statements are same, the result is true. Now I am going to combine this two with exclusive or. I am going to combine this two using exclusive or. What is the meaning of this? I am going to check false for. The statements are same, the result is false. False, true, the statements are different, the result is true. True, false, the statements are different, the result is true. True, true, the results are same, so the answer is, the output is false. Now I am going to check the implies for P, Q, implies. So here when I have the same statement, I am going to write the statement is true. I am going to check here, I am having true, true, the statement is same, the result is true. True, false, they are different, that means the result is false. False, true, they are different, and the result is false. False, false, the result is same, so this is true. Now I am going to combine this and this. I am going to find the final output. We need negation P, exclusive negation Q, implies P double implies Q. For implies, we said a true statement cannot imply a false statement. A true statement cannot imply a false statement. So here I am going to check. I am having false, true. So the false statement, this is true statement. So this is the result will be true. No problem. True, false. We said a true statement cannot imply a false statement. So the result will become false. True, false. Again, a true statement cannot imply a false statement. So the result will become false. False, true. This is the statement is false. So the final output will be true. Already we discussed these ideas in mathematical ideas. All the principles, everything we discussed in mathematical ideas. In discrete mathematics, in this chapter, we are going to discuss the next level. We are going to discuss the next level of logic. We are going to discuss the next level of logic. We will continue in the next video.